Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you the process of setting up your Redmi Note 14 Pro 5G. So if you recently bought the Redmi Note 14 Pro 5G and you want to know how to set it up, then let me show you how to do this. So here I have the Redmi Note 14 Pro. To power this phone on, you want to go ahead and press the side button here. Hold it for about 10 seconds until you see the Redmi Note logo. Once you see that logo, release it. And then you'll come to this screen. Now you want to go ahead and tap on next. Go ahead and choose your language. Now choose your region, tap next. Go ahead and agree to the terms and condition. Now this is asking if you want to set it up using another device. So we'll go ahead and skip this for now. It's asking you to enter in a SIM card. I'll go ahead and skip this as well. Now we'll go ahead and add a network. Tap next. Now since this is an Android phone, you need to go ahead and enter in your Google credentials. So if you have a Google account, get ready with that. Now here we'll go ahead and sign in with our Google account. Now once you've signed in, go ahead and agree to the Google's terms and conditions. Now here it's asking if you want to copy any apps or data. So since this is a brand new phone, I want to go ahead and just set it up as a brand new phone. So I'll tap on don't copy. I'll go and allow location services, scanning and sending diagnostic data and installing the apps. I'll go ahead and turn off backup. Now here I can go ahead and set the screen lock. So I'll go ahead and tap on screen lock. Go ahead and tap on pin, go ahead and set it up. Now I can go ahead and set Gemini. I'll leave it for later on. Go and allow that. I'll leave parental control off. I can go ahead and choose the fonts I require. So I'll choose the second one. I can go ahead and choose the app drawer. So the ones that slides to the left and right, or I can have it from top to bottom. And now just give it a few minutes and that will set up your Redmi Note 14 Pro 5G phone. Tap next. And now your Redmi Note 14 Pro has been completed setup. So just leave it for a few minutes as it'll basically install any apps from Google. And then after a while, you can start using your Redmi Note 14 Pro mobile phone. So there you go guys, that is how to set up your Redmi Note 14 Pro 5G mobile phone. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.